I always wanted to be a teacher, even probably when I was 6 or 7. If you'd asked me what I was going to be, then that's what I would have said. Even in junior school, I was able to see there were other kids in the class that really struggled, and they didn't get the help. And even then I could see it wasn't fair. And it sort of made me decide that, well, I wanted to do something about it.
Sally's a fantastic teacher, and she's very passionate about fair play for her students, an appropriate experience, appropriate challenges, making sure that everybody gets fair play and an excellent learning experience.
We all love her a bit, like she's very kind and deserving for you, and she's always there for you. When she's not, she'll put us in the right directions of who to get in touch with.
Sally's always willing to listen to students, and she's always smiling and always laughing, and that's what I like about her.
Because I teach across such a wide range of subjects, I get to do something different every day, and you never quite know what's going to happen next, which is what makes it so much fun to do.
As a tutor, as a mentor, as a coordinator, she's fantastic. She really, really works hard to ensure everything is top quality.
When you're teaching something and you see that it's suddenly clicked with somebody, it's absolutely brilliant. And I mean, it could be something really tiny, like somebody finally managing, say, to copy their own name.
And she's always there for you. When she's not, she'll put us in the right directions of who to get in touch with.
I was really, really touched that my students decided to nominate me, and I never thought in a million years I was actually going to win it. It was... wow, can't put words to it.
I'm glad that you've got the award anyway.
Yeah.
And that's from everybody in the class.
Yeah.
You deserve it.
Yeah.
And we love you to bits. That's it.
Thank you, Sally Bond.
Thank you, Sally.
Thank you, Sally.